In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get the taser in Days Gone. So as you can read here, I have in here this Reddit thread from Days Gone and from these users. They're asking for the secret weapons health. So for this case, you can head over and get secret weapons according to a certain difficulty. You can get weapons for finishing quest lines such as Rock Chalk and IPCA Stun Gun for collecting the tech. So as you can see right here, to get specific weapons, such as on this case is Taser. The only secret weapons to Taser you can get is from collecting IPCA tech around Nero MMU's research sites and IPCA sniper rifle that also shoots a few kinds of darts. So to get the taser, you just need to complete these missions, and once you're done, you should be able to get it directly from there. The taser you craft only after you finish the game and meet O'Brien one last time, but the sniper you just get for beating the main story on any difficulty. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.